Everyone has heard of the word cryptography. But what is it? Cryptography is the discipline of scrambling the secrets so that only authorized parties with the correct key would be able to retrieve the plain text from the ciphertext. For this video, I will concentrate on the concepts that are relevant to cryptography. Authentication is simply making sure that you are who you say you are. Confidentiality is the secrecy of the message. Only authorized parties can read the message. Data integrity refers to the integrity of the message, whether or not it has been altered in any way by an unauthorized party. Non-repudiation means that the sender cannot deny sending the message. There are 4 classes of cryptographic algorithms. The first is secret key cryptography, which is also known as symmetric cryptography because both communicating parties must have the exact same keys to communicate. The communicating parties use a pre-shared key to encrypt and decrypt the message. The second is public key cryptography, in which the public key of the communicating parties are publicly known. Like secret key cryptography, there are many different algorithms for this type of cryptography. For the purposes of this video, the RSA algorithm is used. The feature in public key cryptography is, the message can only be decrypted by the private key that is only known to the party that generated the public, private key pair. Additionally, public key cryptography can be used to sign and verify messages. Messages that are signed using the private key can only be verified by the public key from that particular private key. Therefore, the recipient of the message has full confidence that the message was created by the communicating party, and not by an adversary. A trusted party that signs and holds the certificates of the communicating parties is then known as the certificates authority. The certificates authorities are trusted entities that signs all the certificate signing requests. The certificates are then trusted until they expire, or are revoked. The third class is known as cryptographic hash functions, which is a one-way hash function that generates a bit string deterministically. Hash functions are typically used to verify the data integrity. Finally, there's message authentication code, which is very much like the cryptographic hash function. However, it incorporates the use of a pre-shared secret key so that the sender and recipient can authenticate the cryptographic hash value upon receipt. Since the secret key has an effect on the message authentication code that is generated, only the parties with the secret key are able to check if the message authentication code that was received by another party is a match. Secret key cryptography is rarely used alone for communications because of the key management problem. To illustrate this, let us consider a scenario where 10 parties want to communicate with one another securely. Every communicating party must maintain 9 unique secret keys, which results in a total of 81 keys. With public cryptography, only 10 key pairs, public key and private key, need to be generated. Again, the public keys are made known to the world, while the private keys are kept securely by the communicating party. If you find this helpful, please like, subscribe to the channel and leave a comment. Do check out the feature-rich peer-to-peer communications app, Node, linked in the description below. Thank you for your attention.